Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Mengfeilii.com and answering an important question. Is Mengfeilii.com legit or could it be a scam? If you're thinking about buying jewelry from this website, make sure to watch this video until the end. According to the information on the website, Mengfeilii.com claims to offer a wide variety of Moissanite jewelry pieces. The company says it works with professional gem cutters and jewelry workshops that go through a strict selection process. The website also states that its goal is to provide stylish jewelry that helps customers express themselves and showcase their unique personality. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's look at some warning signs. The first thing we noticed is that the website was registered on June 8, 2026. A newly registered website is not automatically a scam, but shoppers should always be careful when purchasing from very new online stores because they do not have a long track record. Another concern is the huge discounts displayed across the website. Many products appear to be discounted by around 50% to 80%. Such large discounts can sometimes be used to attract buyers quickly. We also found indications that some images on the website may have been copied from other websites. Looking at the legal pages, there is limited information about the company's operations. Legitimate businesses usually provide clear details about who they are, how they operate, and how customers can contact them if problems arise. We also check for customer feedback. The website displays products, but there are very few independent reviews available. Additionally, at the time of this review, we could not find reviews for the website on Trustpilot, making it difficult to verify customer experiences. Another thing worth mentioning is the lack of social media presence. Most legitimate online businesses actively maintain social media accounts to engage with customers and build trust. This website does not appear to have an established social media presence. Based on these observations, we recommend being cautious before placing an order on Mengfeilii.com. Always research thoroughly, look for genuine customer reviews, and use secure payment methods when shopping online.